So excellent. Now root a whole 2 minus 3 whole square. 2 square 2 into 2 into 2 3 12 12 12 12 and 2 into 2 3 3 into whole square and also exponent to the square. Just was it 31 minus 12 root 3 31 minus 12 root 3 was it circle only realizes 3 into 9 3 into 9 27 27 plus 4 31 12 root 3 was this circle only please